Good morning, guys. Yeah, this is the last two pieces of my white bread. Yeah, it's frozen. Yeah, the time now is 20 minutes before 9 o'clock. My duty today will start at 2:30. So I still have around 5 hours. So we're going outside and yeah, I'm going to bring the fishing rod and maybe we are going to fish. Nice weather today. Look, outside is really sunny. Yeah. Yesterday in this past few days was really rainy. Yeah, I come to work and get out of the work with rain. Going to try to fish here, but I know this place is like there are so many plants under the water. I think it's the best place to fish. Yeah, I think it's allowed to fish here because there's no any warning, so we're going to do that here. Yeah, look at this. It's very windy at the moment, but it is good. I don't know if you can hear my sound, but yeah. As you can hear the audio and as you can see the waves, I think it is not good to fish today because the fishing rod will be carried all over there. Yeah, so we'll be just I don't know, maybe just be walking around there. Look at this, there is a new I will try this. Oh, this thing is new. Yeah, before it was not here. The only thing that was here before is that the slide, the other slide, and these things, and the what is that? The swing. This one is new, mate. We will try. Yeah, that is nothing special. That is really specially designed for the kids. Let me show you what the kids can do in this playground area. So yeah, bring your kids here. There is a playground, something like this. I don't know how actually is this, but maybe this is just a walking like this. Yeah, and of course they have this something like I don't know because I don't know. And there is like a tunnel here where they can get inside and then slide here. Nice. There is another slide, a swing, like a bridge, and then there is like that's for adults, a workout station. Yeah, but it's very basic. Okay, we keep on going. Fishing is not good this day because it's very windy and the water is moving really fast. Yeah, here in Australia there are so many playgrounds in almost everywhere. Even in the rural area you're going to see a playground like that. Yeah, in Thailand I've seen a lot of working out area. I mean like an outdoor gym. It's almost everywhere also in Thailand, particularly in the city. Yeah, in the park. In Malaysia I don't exactly know, but they have one. They have in the shopping mall, outdoor area of the shopping mall, you're going to see children's playground, and and outdoor gym. In the Philippines, normally, I mean usually in the Philippines, they are inside the shopping mall. Yeah, children's playground are usually in the shopping mall or in most fast food chain like Jollibee and McDonald's. You're going to see that in there. Yeah, not in the outdoor like this. Yeah, I don't know if there are people fishing at the moment. I can't see anyone, but we'll be going there closer so we see. Yeah, we're not going to fish here. We just came here to have a look, and we're going to the other side. And the restaurant here are still closed. Yeah, and I can see that there are some people who are actually fishing at the moment. Yeah, so the wind doesn't really affect the fishing system. Actually, there are so many people who are actually fishing at the moment, and there are more on that side. Yeah, you can even see the bird there having difficulties to fly because of the strong wind. Oh, this is new. This was not here like a few days ago. A little bit hungry, but you know, this restaurant is still closed, and we're going to check there. Maybe they are all open already. Yeah, we are now here. This is the other side of the, what is this, a brick water I don't know, I forgot the name. Yeah, so basically we are coming from that side. I need to go walk around there, and now I am here. Cause you're every woman in the world to me. The name of this one, and this thing is actually a breakwater. It is written there. Use of this breakwater is a high risk activity. Great care should be taken. No swimming, no diving. Waves may overtop the breakwater at any time. The surface is uneven and blocks may move. But you know, I saw some kids, they are swimming there and they are diving there. And of course that side is a swimming area, but you know, of course this area is a little dangerous for them. It's a warning. Using the bread, this is how Mr. Spencer teach me. Yeah, and then we're going to throw it to the water. You know, I think I broke the fishing rod. Yeah, I think I broke it because you know this one. Yeah, this is already stuck up in here, and I can't do anything about it. How to remove this? Yeah, I found a way how to fix it. I needed to open it like this so that it will be okay again. okay again. Yeah, we were going to try to ride in there next time. I don't know yet. Maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow I'll be day off for 2 days. Yeah. I don't know, but I wanted to go somewhere else. You know, this is the last one, and I'm hungry. So half of this will be for me. And the other half will be for the fish. I am a little concerned about the birds because, you know, that thing is floating there, and the birds sometimes are trying to catch that, and it will be not good for them. Yeah, that's it for today. We are going home now. Yeah, we came from that side. Yeah, the place is getting crowded now. And we are now going to the grocery to buy laundry soap and some other things. I already bring this thing. This is a plastic bag that I can carry so that I don't need to buy any other plastic bag again. It costs 99 cents. One thing I've noticed about the GoPro Hero 7 is that it runs out of battery really quick. Yeah, compared to the best one for the battery life is the GoPro Hero 4 Session, and then the GoPro Hero 5 is okay, but the GoPro Hero 7 Black, yeah, really runs out of battery really quick. Yeah, I have another battery, but I forgot to charge it. Yeah, we're going to take this. This is $4.99. Look at that, it is so windy, but my clothes are all down there.